Hello students. Today we are going to learn about another very important cell organelle, centrosome. No, it's not chromosome, which we have learned before. This is a cell, and can you see the hollow tube-like structures near the nucleus? These are nothing but the centrosome. So, what is centrosome? Centrosomes are small naked organelles present near the nucleus of animal cells and absent in fungi and plants. This is an animal cell, and can you see the small structure near the nucleus? This is nothing but centrosome. If we zoom into the structure of centrosome, we can see it is made up of two centrioles. The centrioles are placed perpendicular to each other, that is at right angles to each other, and they are surrounded by a dense, highly structured mass of protein termed as pericentriolar material. If we look into the structure of each centriole, we can see that it is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, that is 9 triplet microtubules assembled in a cartwheel-like structure. So you can see that there are 9 sets of microtubules, and each set is made up of 3 microtubules, and it looks like cartwheel, isn't it? So we can say each centriole is a 9 triplet microtubule structure. Now the question is, why are centrioles important to the cell? Centrioles play a very important role in cell division. This is a cell undergoing cell division, and I have marked the sister chromatids. During cell division, the two sister chromatids are pulled apart on both sides, and this pulling is done by spindle fibers, which originate from the centrioles. So without centrosome, proper cell division would not be possible, isn't it? This is a cell division video. Can you see the sister chromatids are pulled apart? Now if we slow it down, can you see these threads? These threads are the spindle fibers, and these arise from the centrioles of the centrosome. Centrosome duplicate before cell division and goes to opposite poles, and then division begins. The spindle fibers are made up of microtubules. And what are these microtubules? These microtubules are the structural elements of the cell that coordinate cell movement, and they are made by the centrosome. So we can say that centrosomes help in the movement process inside the cell. Basically, what centrosome does is that it organizes the microtubules. So it is called microtubule organizing center. That is, it organizes the microtubules, and these microtubules are required for different movement inside the cell. As we saw in cell division, movement of chromosomes are occurring, which is done by the help of centrosome. How? By organizing the microtubules which make the spindle. Is it clear, students? Now can you tell me the functions of centrosome? Firstly, it helps in the process of cell division by forming spindle fibers. Centrioles produce basal body that produce cilia and flagella. Cilia are short hair-like structures present over the cells of bacteria, paramecium, and flagella are long tail-like structures mostly present in bacteria. These flagella and cilia have a basal body embedded below the plasma membrane, and the centrioles produce this basal body. So basically you can understand that the centrioles produce microtubules. It's like Spider-Man producing webs here and there and then moving. So we can say centrioles are cells Spider-Man. This is all about centrosome you need to know. Hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. See you soon.